You could make all the money in the world, have all the success in the world. If you don't keep your fitness and your health, it's probably all in vain, right?
I've been doing this since 1986. You're my biggest residential pool.
Let's talk about beer in the grotto. That's the next topic, right? That's the important business at hand.
It'd be really cool, just like when your buddies are over there, hey, look at this real quick. Whoa, you know, like it's like Coors Light on ice, you know? This is sponsored by Coors Light.
Yeah, sponsored by Coors Light.
All right, I'm here with Lance. Lance is the one that helped me design the pool from Premier Pools. We're gonna give you guys a quick run through of some cool things going on. Here we go. All right, so tell me about the things that excite you about this pool.
Oh, it doesn't. It's got everything, man. It's huge. It's massive. The amount of infrastructure here is just incredible. You've got a beach entry the size of most people's swimming pools. You got an island in your pool that's 600-700 square feet of just interior area. Sunken fire pit that you're down at eye level with the lazy river here. Lazy river system. Incredible system to have on a pool. More rock on this pool than I think we'll have on any pool previous. There'll probably be 15 or so large waterfalls really from one end of this pool to the far end. Massive grotto. And then we're not even talking about the upper pool. It's just incredible.
And the 100-foot water slide.
That's
There's so much going on, you almost forget about like the swim up bar.
We got the slide company a little bit nervous because of the scale of that slide, so we're working through some different vendors to make sure we can get something that really kicks butt. But just incredible project. You're right, it does have everything.
That's cool. I'm pumped.
Good.
Seat, and then you have 2 steps going off the side.
Where does the slide come out at?
Right on that side of the grotto.
Sticking out of the steel would be the best way of saying it. You notice it's mounting open it in the fiber that it's in.
It's definitely the biggest residential pool that I think we've done from a size and scale perspective. I mean, it really is. We can't even get good pictures of it in
I've
scale.
been doing this since 1986. You're my biggest residential pool. You got palm trees in the middle of your pool, dude. Okay? You got freaking palm trees in the middle of your pool, okay? Excuse the freaking, but come on, man.
Steps down, retaining walls. I'll text you 2 companies that do patio covers if you want.
I think we still yet to be determined on like what exact plans, but something similar to what you originally drew up.
Yeah.
Wall was up to kind of block that a little more
That's what we were thinking about too.
and put like a TV on
That's
it.
what I'm saying, yes.
Oh yeah, we could do that. And what we could do
How
with
do
the
you access
ledgestone is you can mix it in with the flagstone. So we can use the flagstone as the ledgestone, so you have a little spot in there where it has a little spot. My gosh, man. This is fun. This is what we get excited to do.
It's awesome. I'm pumped.
Let's talk about beer in the grotto. That's the next topic, right? That's the important business at hand.
It'd be really cool, just like when your buddies are over there, hey, look at this real quick. Whoa, you know, like it's like Coors Light on ice, you know?
No, I'm down. I'm down. And I'm already started. I already put it into Oscar's head.
This is sponsored by Coors Light.
Yeah, sponsored by Coors Light.
Straight bar, cables, dumbbells, where you're rotating and alternating will create that peak here. And then anything from a high position, whether you're doing one arm, 2 arm together, or lying down and throwing up here, it really kind of creates that ball to the top part. Nice and slow for 10, okay? Then you're gonna flip it.
I usually get delirious when I'm going through these workouts, and I forget what I'm doing.
We call that losing oxygen to the brain. Usually happens about the last 10 minutes of the workout, sometimes for Jeremy and Bartlett, about the first 10.
So I think one of the mistakes probably young entrepreneurs make, your first couple of years running a company, you go all in. You just commit everything you can to being like an entrepreneur, a CEO, a business owner. Doing that for a little while works, you know, and you get good results from it. But I did a program at Harvard 5 years ago, and I went there. And there's some badass CEOs that were worth a lot of money. I mean, these are like billionaires, and they were overweight. And it made me realize, like, man, that's not who I want to be in life. And it kind of dawned on me, I'm like, you could make all the money in the world, have all the success in the world, if you don't keep your fitness and your health, it's probably all in vain, right? Like, there's a point in life where you have to have balance and you have to be well-rounded. So now, I'm not the best at working out, but just trying to, shave out like 3 days a week, maybe 4, just put in the schedule and work out no matter what. I feel better. My mind gets clear. I get better ideas. I'll be on the treadmill or the stair stepper or the bike all the time, and something will just pop in my head. I think it just gets the juices flowing, gets the blood flowing, and you get creative ideas. I know Steve Jobs used to go on walks a lot. He said he got a lot of great ideas from just going on long walks. So it's encouraging young entrepreneurs, CEOs, get in the gym, get your workouts in, don't neglect them. Hopefully that helps.